Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ulampang jogo Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke jela u Thomas A Sangma hakakat Leit uleber arjar aflai ulale Jngoh Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ jong ke jela ya kabalashna Thymmai New Shillong Township hadin ke jingkhlem no jong utunum pulun house nam arjar afuar hakajeng kan bigilat pathai khubor u Thomas Sangma ulai thu baki kamera balashna hapo kani ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka Thymmai kiri ke balajan dablut nadong shadong henry lain no tang hakabenta balakhlem ke tunum pulun Hakajuk upor lay turu baka assembly kan satung Thymmai biang yagid khot joga high power committee ban buddian hakabay day baka jingshna yagani ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Thymmai.
Some smaller rooms, paneling will make the room much smaller. It's community lounge. This one also. This ruling.
Come here for the spot inspection of this assembly building which is being constructed, and first and foremost thing is that the design for the dome structure for the main hall, assembly hall, has not been approved yet. That's what we have come to know, and the decision that we have taken is that we will write to the IIT Guwahati to speed up or expedite the approval of the dome new design for the dome structure, and we will work on it, and we will also call the design associates which has prepared the master plan and the design for the entire building and the entire premise. So we will call them within this week, and we will take a decision further. So now these are the main things that we have decided, and also we have to reconstitute the high-powered committee for this completion of this assembly building. That we can only come to know when finally the design associates, the contractors, and the executing agency, which is the PWD, state PWD, along with the contractors, I have asked them to sit together and decide what are the requirements, what are the further requirements here. Only after their meeting and sitting of the HPC, we will be able to understand. We will be able to give them the timeline actually.
Final question: so, what is the additional amount required for the construction of this?
That also we have not been able to come out with that, because only after the executing agencies, the PWDs, and the officials sit together and submit the proposals to us, then only we will be able to tell them, tell you how much more fund will be required to complete this project.
So who all were the part of the meeting today, if you can just tell us?
We have Chief Engineer from PWD Buildings and all their officers, SE, Additional Chief, Executive Engineer, and Commissioner Secretary and secretaries from the Andy, also from the construction site, the contractors are also there. As chairman of the High Power Committee, heading this High Power Committee, I think it will be a big role for me to come out with some hard decisions and to ensure that this assembly building is completed within the stipulated time.